Yo, what's up, man? It's the Thestylepilot. I'm here today to tell y'all about my top four, or my only four Saint Laurent sneakers, YSL sneakers. Before we get into it, though, I just want to let y'all know, if you didn't know or know me, like, YSL is my favorite brand, hands down. I love everything they do, from streetwear to suits to all that stuff. Just some of it, since I'm a big guy, it doesn't fit my style, some of it, but I still like it. And I'm like, man, if I was a 5'9", 175-pound guy, I would wear this. But it is what it is. But as far as their sneakers, I love their sneakers. I love the materials they use. Man, to me, in my opinion, YSL, you get the most for the money that you pay for, even when it's a high-priced T-shirt, all that stuff. And for some reason, I like the way the store looks aesthetically when I walk in. You know, it's kind of straight to the point, but it kind of looks like a super rich guy's closet for some reason. Like, I don't know why. Like, when I get in there, I kind of get jittery. I don't know, but I love YSL. First, we're gonna start off on my top four, my only four pair of sneakers is this Court High Classic. It's Court High. Now, straight off the bat, if you really know YSL, you automatically like, yo, what kind of shoestrings are these? Oh, you got a knockoff. No, it's not a knockoff, buddy. The shoestrings that came with these were really skinny, right? All right, so compared to the ones that are in here that I replaced them with, these are a whole lot thicker, right? As you can see right here. They're a whole lot thicker than the ones that came with. And these look way freaking better in the shoe to me. I don't know. It kind of gives it like a skateboarder type look to it. I got these on like a super duper sale. Damn near the price of a pair of Jordans. I don't know why this was so cheap, but they were really cheap. And I kind of like, when I bought them just to beat up. I wanted to beat them up, and I was going to write a bunch of crap on them, but I changed my mind. I probably going to do that later, but I want to beat them up really, really bad, but I just haven't been wearing them. Like, I got so many pairs of shoes. Like, sometimes I just don't get around to certain things. But I need to wear these more. I think these are really cool. It's an odd color, which you don't see a lot of people with these around. But yeah, one quick tip I want to give you guys. Listen, yeah, you guys see me with some of this stuff. I'm like, man, you spend a lot of money on these shoes. Yeah, I do. But a lot of times I get this stuff on sale. Like, I'm constantly online, and I check my emails when stuff is on sale. And I know the times when all of these designer things go on sale, man. So, guys, if you want to get into getting some of this stuff, man, just, hey, open up your emails to these people and check this stuff, because a lot of this stuff goes on sale frequently. But yeah, to get into this sneaker, it's a gray suede sneaker, white right here. These shoestrings that I have are from a pair of Christian Louboutin shoes. It's actually two pairs of shoestrings in here, because the Christian Louboutin shoestrings probably come right here, and then I put another pair in here. As you guys see, you see the tip right here on these, and then you see the two tips on these, right? But yeah. It's a pretty dope sneaker. Nothing extremely special, but it's pretty dope. The contrast, like the shoestrings, this is like if you can't see, it's kind of like an off-whitish, and the sole is off-white. This is white, and this is kind of like a light gray, like a medium gray. All right, I'm getting to another sneaker. When I saw this sneaker initially, I thought it was like the dopest thing in the world. I wore them a whole lot, and then I stopped. These have been in the archive for a while. Same thing. It's a Court High, but it has fringe on the back. Ain't that cool? I get a lot of compliments from women when I wear these, mainly because women love fringe and stuff. But to see it on a 6'6" guy, it's probably a little bit different. Now, this leather on here on the tongue is so freaking amazing. The only thing I get worried about when I wear these sneakers are these leather laces. And I try my best not to tie them tight, but they look so much better when they're tied up all the way, because the tongue stands out. When they're a little bit loose, You know, like I'm scared that this is gonna pop, and I don't have any replacement shoestrings on these, so I definitely don't want to lose them. I had to put in a crappy pair that's too short that I had to buy from the store or something. It doesn't come all the way to the top because I wear a 13, 14, and this is a 13 right here. So yeah, this is my second one. I don't know the exact name for it, but it's basically a court high with suede, brown suede. I was also thinking about like cutting the fringe off and just having it like that. What do you guys think? If I just cut this fringe off when it gets older, or I get tired of playing with that, it still looks good like this. I would have probably bought it if it didn't have the fringe, just like that. But they came out with other colors. I saw a pair that was camo like this, and it went on sale. I bought this full price. I was really tempted to do that and cut the fringe off, but nah. All right, so we'll get into the other one. Now, this is my third one. Third one. Okay, the court joints, court highs. Now, you see this and you're into sneakers. You know exactly where the inspiration from this came from. And I'll tell you guys a quick funny story. I was at a house party one time, and you know, I'm in there. I'm probably the only guy that's into stuff like this that's at the party based on the type of people that were there. So I see this dude and his homeboy, they like giggling and giggling. They keep looking over at me, and I look over at them like, man, what the hell is so damn funny? But whatever. So, you know, we all end up getting around at the table, and we're playing like a drinking game or something. And the dude that was doing a bunch of giggling, he was just like, yo, what kind of shoes are those? And I was like, oh, you know, YSL. He was like, what? Some YSL, Saint Laurent. You know what those are? He was like, nah. He was like, oh, these like some like knockoff Jordans or something. I started laughing at him. He looking at me like, what's so funny? I was like, nah. So I pulling up the website of it and showing him what it was. He was like, oh, dog, I thought you were wearing fake J's. Like, nah, this is a whole different ball game from this. Now, to me, honestly, the only big difference in these is the price point and maybe the quality of leather in the tongue. I mean, it doesn't have a Nike sign, but I mean they're pretty much the same shoe. You get the same aesthetic damn near if you're trying to put an outfit together. Except this blue is a little bit lighter than this one, but you can tell that Saint Laurent got inspiration from this shoe to make this shoe, which was pretty cool, right? You know, the bottom is not blue like on this one, like on the Jordan or whatever. And you definitely can't hoop in these, and you shouldn't be trying to hoop in these. But I mean, they're pretty cool sneaker, man. I love the leather on. Now, if you do get these, just know that the leather is gonna be stiff, but it does loosen up. It does loosen up the more you wear it. I haven't worn these a whole lot. This is another pair of shoes that I need to start wearing more. But just know, like, when you wear these and you run into somebody that's not into fashion like that, they probably don't think you got a fake pair of Jordans. Same thing with these red ones. I have red ones as well. And I also have these. Now, you guys are like, why do you have these shoes? They're exactly the same. Well, honestly, I got these Saint Laurent joints, one, on sale. Two, I couldn't get a hold of these at the time that I got these. And then these came out a year after I purchased these. But it's still good to be able to mix it up and wear these, man. If you go into different events or different types of things, man, it's just good. Like, I just love sneakers, like, period. So if I have the opportunity to get these and I have the funds to do it, I'm going to do it. But here are the red ones, and it's the same thing. Sometimes it's the same thing as the blue one. Sometimes I'll do something goofy and wear these like this. You know what I mean? But they're pretty cool, man. I mean, you can definitely tell they're inspired by Jordan 1. These will always be on Saint Laurent's site. Like, they're a staple in their sneakers, and they're always going to be available online. I got lucky and bought these from a third-party site. I think it was like I bought these from Bloomingdale's and I got these from Neiman's, and they were like almost half off. But another quick tip too, guys. Like, when you buying this stuff or you want to buy some of this high-end stuff, you go in there and look at the price. I'm like, man, I don't want to pay for that. Cool. Wait. Like, this stuff goes on sale. One big thing that I've learned from people that, you know, that are into this stuff before I was like, dude, you got to keep your email open to these people and give them your email addresses and stuff, because they send you stuff and they send you notifications when this stuff goes on sale. And the actual, let's say YSL doesn't have a sale on these, or these never go on sale on the site, on the third party site, they will go on sale. Sometimes you get lucky and they have like one size on there that's on sale and it's your size. So if you guys are into this stuff, make sure that you leave your email open to these people and not communicate, but look for them, look for the discounts, look for sales and stuff that they may have. And when they see you say, hey, this stuff is off, just go and check and see if the thing that you wanted from their site is on sale. Because a lot of times it is, especially during the summer and Christmas time and all of that stuff, you know, Black Friday, all of that crap. This stuff goes on sale. All right, so that's pretty much it, man. If you guys have any questions, email me at thestylepilot@gmail.com. You can also hit me up on Instagram at thestylepilot. Okay? And remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth, man. I'll see y'all later.